Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I decided to show you a simple way to make Spanish omelette. It's something that anyone anywhere can make. All you need is onions, potatoes and eggs, depending on the number of people you are. If you are like two, you just need 2 eggs. This actually serves 2. Whatever you're seeing here serves 2. So let's get into it. And guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That way we'll know whether to post such videos in the future. So let's get right into it. In order to make the omelette tasty, you need to make sure that the onions cook until they become golden brown. Potatoes. These potatoes need to cook, guys, so let's leave them for there for like 10 to 15 minutes to just let them cook and allow the onions to become brown, and also the potatoes should also turn brownish. And then yeah, we'll be back. So guys, they're about to be ready. Let's quickly prepare our eggs. Yeah, so I think at this moment they're ready. The onions are brown. The potatoes are also turning goldenish brown. So let's remove them from the fire now. So we'll quickly put As we remove them, we just quickly put them into the bowl that contains our eggs. So let's give it a mix. These are following, and it's at this moment that you can now season everything. You can add your salt, maybe just 1 or 2 pinches of salt depending on your preference actually. Some black pepper, and I like using chili powder, so chili spice. Just a little bit. The same for black pepper. And mix. So I drained off most of the oil and just left a little bit for frying the omelette. So at this point, just go ahead and put all the contents onto the pan. So you need to spread it out nicely on the pan. Then afterwards, give it maybe 2 minutes to cook on the lower side. It smells nice. So I think it's ready on the lower side. What you need is like a large plate, preferably larger than the pan itself. So mine is not that large, but it will work. So what you need to do is to quickly flip the omelette onto the plate. After you flipped it, you need to put it back carefully. And you enjoy your meal, your breakfast. Some may do this at lunchtime. It's just like a meal. Yeah. So here it is, guys. So guys, thank you for watching, and let's meet in our next video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment, as well as share this video to your friends. Bye.